outside coming in. Let's go see who's home. Get a tour. Anybody home?
Come on in. Check what's in here.
All right.
I'm gonna show you first this cabinet. That
Hanger at the top.
Let's have
A little compartment under. Put shoes in it if you like.
Right. And sleeper or whatever.
Fridge next to it.
It's gonna mess you.
Freezer. Cleaning tomorrow.
And
Everything else is clean now. That's good.
separate.
It's working.
I'm gonna show you the
Shower room.
The
Medicine cabinet.
cabinet.
Down to the sink.
Just a small cabinet down for that.
Yep.
And
It's a porcelain toilet too, not the
Right.
plastic one. And this is a 3-speed fan. It's controlled with the light switch, and if you close it, it'll automatically turn off. Open it, it'll turn on.
with the light.
And the light can go on and off with the light switch, or that one. And these are all LED lights.
And then the shower.
They're white instead of yellow, and they're low energy instead of using your battery up if you're running on a 12-volt system. Let's look at the butterflies real quick. This is the controller for the furnace, and it is central ducted, so it has 2 ducts. I'll show that. Let me look at them real quick. They're over here. Right here by the door. One comes out here, and then one on the other end by the bed. And the butterflies that you see everywhere come off. You just peel them right off if you don't want them on there. They're designed to come off. They're not stickers. And same with the Love Makes Everything Grow sticker. Just peels right off. We left it on there though because we like it. Do the cabinets first. And hit the, yeah, and the cabinets feed all the way through.
Yeah, it's all the way through.
Alright, and hit the lights while you're there. Yep.
There are 2 lines.
Get the one over your head.
It's really pretty when you're reading. And that one too.
There you go. And then this is a fold-up table. Freestanding, it's movable. And we're going to move it right now. And he makes a bed right here. Or not. If she wants to sit, it's a couch.
Oh no, sorry.
And there's the bed.
Yep.
Ta-da. Alright.
It's pretty good size. And
Do the sink. Microwave above. Very nice. There's the light underneath the cabinet, and then the sink and the faucet and the cabinet underneath. That's just the under the sink storage, and down there's a little compartment and a
just
teeny
little.
one and a drawer and another drawer. Here's the rest of the lights. Light 1 and 2 and 3. And if you notice those things in the
speaker.
yeah, those things in the ceiling there are speakers.
The one and the other one is there.
That's set A, and then this is B is here, and the fire alarm. Yeah, that's the security bar that hooks when you're moving. The slide comes in. This is the slide. Runs all. This is the edge of it here, and it slides in to us. It'll come in about 1.5 feet. So here we are. Kitchen area, cooktop, and the light, and fan in the range hood. That makes plenty of noise, so turn it off. Not bad. Go ahead up. There's your cabinets up. They got the nice little shock absorbers on them so it holds them up. No latches that have to be fixed when you move either. Take a look below, it's open. And the bottom one. Alright. That's good. And then we come over to the, oh, we got a little drawer. Almost forgot that one. Okay. Roller balls. Yep. Furnace down there. Then we have the television, comes off the wall, so you can take it outside and hook it to the outside. And we got the plays movies here. Hit the play button.
Year old mystery.
And it's got speakers. Turn the volume down. Put it about 17. And then we'll go to Bluetooth. TV off. Now this is internet radio played through the Bluetooth, and we have speakers A and B. Now they're both off, and then A, and then add B. And if you hit C, that's the outside ones. You can hear they just came on, but go ahead and turn it back off. Off. If you leave them on and the neighbors hear it, they hate it. But and the television swivels, so you can pull it towards the seating area, eating side, or push it back towards the bed. There you go. Now let's take a look at the bed. There's the bed and the cabinets there, and over other side. And they got the same. I get this side. They have the same hinges on them, and they got a bar in there to hang clothing. And underneath the bed is storage, and just leave that up. It's got it'll hold itself up, and drawers underneath. And that brings you back around to the couch. We're going to come back around here and point out that there is an extension counter off this counter. You just push that and it folds out of the way. Behind this door, underneath the stereo, okay, we'll go there. This is the shelf that connects on the outside. See the middle connector right there on the outside of the trailer, and underneath of it is the gas grill. Never even been used. The box is still sealed. Hooks to the outside of the trailer. Behind this door there's a audio connectors for satellite and antenna. It's got an antenna booster. That's what that green light is. Got a 12-volt plug and AC outlet. Nikon battery charging in there. And that's a television plugged in. And this is a 30 amp adapter down to a 15 amp plug, in case you need that. And then over here is the heated bed controller, and that's it. Goes all the way up to whatever, 8
Number
or 10.
6.
6. And then inside that bag right there is the filter for the water system, the sewage connector, the towel bar and toilet paper holder. Never even been installed. Those are that's the end to hold the things on. That's all.